OpenAI's latest advanced language model, GPT-4, has been making headlines. While some users are still waiting to catch a glimpse of GPT-4, rumors about the next model, GPT-5, have already started to surface. According to rumors, OpenAI aims to complete AGI training for GPT-5 by the end of 2023. There has been recent speculation surrounding OpenAI's GPT-5 achieving AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. This has been fueled by comments from developer Siki Chen, who has suggested that some employees believe it is indeed possible. However, OpenAI has not yet made any official statement regarding these rumors. GPT-4 is a highly discussed model and is essential to ChatGPT. This year, this model has been heavily utilized in various applications. ChatGPT has become very popular among users for various applications, including text generation, question answering, customer support, and AI assistant, resulting in a rapid increase in its popularity and numerous use cases. Developers, general users, and enterprises are eagerly anticipating the release of GPT-5, the next-generation AI language model, in 2024. Despite the lack of an official statement, fans of ChatGPT are excitedly speculating about the new features it might offer. GPT-5 is expected to have a faster model and increased intelligence. Let's wait and see what it includes upon release. OpenAI is reportedly working on GPT-5, which is expected to be released in 2024 or later pending government approval. OpenAI may release an intermediate model, GPT 4.5, prior to GPT-5's launch. OpenAI is hesitant to disclose information about the GPT-5 model before its official launch. Therefore, it is unlikely that we will know its official features until shortly before the launch of the GPT-5 model. Reports suggest that GPT-5 is currently in development and set to be released in 2024. OpenAI has not yet officially announced the release of GPT-5, a highly intelligent model expected to be utilized by many enterprises. Numerous companies are currently developing AI technologies to create innovative products for organizations. According to the CEO's clarification, GPT-5 is not yet in training. However, based on OpenAI's past, the GPT-5 model may already be in development, data collection and training stages. OpenAI developers may be finalizing the model's architecture and running the training, test phases. We are unsure of the current state of GPT-5 development, but the company may be actively working on it. Once finalized, they may release information publicly. There is a fierce competition between ChatGPT, Google's Bard AI, and Microsoft Bing AI, which will only intensify in the coming months and years. In 2024, OpenAI will probably release GPT-5 to compete in the AI market. These models will possess high intelligence and solve enterprise problems. It has come to our attention that OpenAI is currently working on the development of the GPT-5 model, which is expected to be released in 2024. This is due to the fact that they have ample time to fine-tune the model after the release of the GPT-4 model, which is set to be launched in 2023. OpenAI is improving its GPT models, including GPT-4. The company is working quickly to release new models and will also enhance the GPT-4 before GPT-5 is released. Developers working on generative AI may encounter new use cases and projects in AI application development by 2024. If you are an ML developer, consider learning generative AI application development and integration. OpenAI is very restrictive about providing information on its AI models before launch. However, the company may release features of GPT-5 just before the product's public launch. GPT-5 is a large model trained on massive datasets and is expected to offer exceptional intelligence. These features will further enhance the model's usability in enterprise applications. The upcoming GPT-5 model is set to offer enhanced capabilities in dealing with both text and image data. This is in contrast to the previous GPT-4 version, which lacked advanced vision features. With improved language and vision models, the GPT-5 model will be equipped to handle a wider range of data types and provide more accurate and comprehensive insights. Google's Bard now includes both language and vision models, giving it an advantage over GPT-4 in understanding images. Developers can look forward to a promising feature in GPT-5, which will enable them to utilize sound as input for their applications. With this new capability, GPT-5 is expected to have a more comprehensive understanding of various sound types and their meanings, opening up a range of possibilities for innovative and impactful applications. In contemporary AI applications, the GPT-5 model plays a crucial role in processing various forms of data such as text, images, videos, and sound. Its versatility in handling different types of data makes it an indispensable tool in modern AI technology. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you get all of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching.